What's up, folks? How's it going? This is Avit here, and welcome to DevOps Challenger. So let's start with today's interview question. So today's interview question is: what is the difference between a bug, vulnerability, and code smell? So what is bug? Bug is a code which may not work. Some issue with the code. For example, null pointer exception, divide by zero. We'll see example. Vulnerability is a security risk, security weakness that can be exploited. For example, SQL injection, hard-coded password. And code smell is a poor coding practice that hurts maintainability. So it will be harder to maintain an impact. For example, long method, duplicate code, unused variables. Right? So bug is an issue where application can break. For example, here name equal to null, and when we try to print name.length, it will crash. There will be null pointer exception. Hacker may this is the issue example of bug. Vulnerability, hacker may exploit it. For example, here we are doing SQL query plus string concatenation. So here SQL injection attack is possible. So this is a vulnerability where a hacker can exploit. So this is a known risk. Code smell is working today, but it will be painful tomorrow. Like difficult to maintain, and it like there are like let's say this process order has 500 lines of code. So it will be very difficult to understand this function. By reading this function, if someone is going to fix it, he may introduce some bugs because he did not understand it properly, difficult to maintain, right? So code works, but it's difficult to understand and modify this code. Let's say you have some online banking application and amount slash month is the interest rate. And if month is equal to zero for some reason, becoming zero because of bug and then it's crashing, so application will crash. Right? Similarly, like password here it's hard coded. Right? So credentials can be exposed leading to unauthorized access. So this is a vulnerability. This is a bug. And code smell example. Let's say this all this validation having the same code block, duplicate code. Like maybe 30 lines of code is duplicated across classes or across files. It is duplicated. So that is also code smell. So basically, technical debt is primarily associated with code smell in SonarQube, not bugs or vulnerabilities. What is technical debt? Technical debt is effort estimated to fix the maintainability issues in the code. So all these are all related to code smell. So code smell and technical debt both are kind of related, like duplicate code, long methods, unused variables, complex nested if-else logic, high cyclomatic complexity, poor naming convention. These are all will result into code smells. And more you have this technical debt also will increase because you need more time to fix them. Right? So code smell and technical debt are interrelated in Sonal. So that's it for today. Hope you understood what is the difference between bug, vulnerability, and code smell. Just to remind, just to like recap, bug code. This is a real issue in the code. Code may crash or some problem may happen in the code. Vulnerability is a security risk. Code smell is poor coding practice, difficult to maintain the code. So that's it for today. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you again in the next video.